friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Upin from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started with our head. So right in the center towards the top, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. On top for the hair, we're going to curve this line around, back in, and then over towards the top. Now let's draw in our eyes. On the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle for that left eye. And then we're going to leave a small gap coming over on the right, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that. Now moving in towards the center of the eye, closer towards the side, we're going to draw in a big sideways oval. And then we're going to move across on the right and replicate that. Now from here for the eyebrows, up above, we're just going to arch this line down on both sides. And then in the center on the bottom, just drawing in a nice big curved line for the mouth. Now for the body, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on the left. And then we're going to do the same as we move down on the right, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to curve this line over and across. In the middle now, let's draw in the letter U. On both sides of this now, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. And then we're going to close that off again on the bottom with another arch line, bringing that around and then up on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Upin from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.